Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.62 a coin. The present exchange cost range $0.085 to $0.0869. The earlier day close $0.0852. The change was plus 117%. Backwards rate US to Doge. Dogecoin conjecture for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.85. Exorbitant costs are $100, while low costs $85. The normal for the month $91. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $93. Change for May 9.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.93. Exorbitant costs are $116, while low costs are $93. The normal for the month $103. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end $108. Change for June 16.1%. Dogecoin estimate for July 2024. To start with, cost at $108. Exorbitant costs are $127, while low costs are $108. The normal for the month $116. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $119. Change for July 10.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset, cost at $119. Excessive costs are $128, while low costs are $112. The normal for the month $120. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $120. Change for August 0.8%. Dogecoin gauge for September 2024. Initially cost at $120. Excessive costs are $134, while low costs are $116. The normal for the month $124. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $25. Change for September 4.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place, cost at $125. Exorbitant costs are $155, while low costs are $125. The normal for the month $138. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $145. Change for October 16%. Dogecoin conjecture for November 2024. To start with, cost at $145. Exorbitant costs are $158, while low costs are $138. The normal for the month $147. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end $148. Change for November 1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at $148. Exorbitant costs are $163, while low costs are $141. The normal for the month $151. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $152. Change for December 7%. Dogecoin gauge for January 2025. In the first place, cost at $152. Exorbitant cost by $168, while low costs are $146. The normal for the month $156. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $157. Change for January 3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2025. At the outset, cost at $157. Excessive costs are $170, while low costs are $148. The normal for the month $159. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end $159. Change for February 3%. Dogecoin figure for Walk 2025. Before all else, cost at $159. Excessive costs are $177, while low costs are $153. The normal for the month $164. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end $165. Change for spring 38%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2025. To start with, cost at $165. Exorbitant costs on $4, while low costs are $165. The normal for the month $181. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $291. Change for April 15.8%. Dogecoin conjecture for May 2025. Before all else, cost at $191. Excessive cost $213, while low costs are $185. The normal for the month $197. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $199. Change for May 4.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2025. At the outset, cost at $199. Excessive costs on $221, while low costs are $193. The normal for the month $105. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end $127. Change for June 4%. Dogecoin figure for July 2025. Initially cost at $207. Excessive costs $157, while low costs $127. The normal for the month $128. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end $140. Change for July 15.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at $140. Exorbitant costs onto at $58, while low costs onto $24. The normal for the month $41. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $41. Change for August 0.4%. Dogecoin gauge for September 2025. In the first place, cost at $41. Exorbitant costs onto $41, while low cost $202. The normal for the month $225. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $217. Change for September 10%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2025. At the outset, cost at $17. Excessive costs $39, while low cost $7. The normal for the month $22. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end $23. Change for October 8%. Dogecoin figure for November 2025. Before all else, cost at $23. Excessive costs $23, while low costs $174. The normal for the month $2. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end $187. Change for November 1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2025. To start with, cost at $187. Exorbitant costs $187, while low costs $146. The normal for the month $169. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end $157. Change for December 16%. Dogecoin estimate for January 2026. To start with, cost at $157. Exorbitant cost $157, while low costs $135. The normal for the month $149. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end $17.45. Change for January 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $145. Excessive costs $161, while low costs $140. The normal for the month $149. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $150. Change for February 3.4%. Dogecoin conjecture for Walk 2026. At the outset, cost at $150. Excessive costs $152, while low costs $132. The normal for the month $144. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $142. Change for spring 5.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at $142. Exorbitant costs $142.